Sorry I'm late. Okay, we have a new trade in the box, and that is, get rid of this. We are in a new strangle. I sold to open the 920 call side, sold to open the 810 put side, expiring on Friday. I initially put in an order for 5 contracts. I said, you know what? I don't like the premiums and getting paid here, so I reduced the risk a bit. I was hoping for more premium. I mean, we had a premium out there this morning at about $5.48, and we waited to the close. We watched the bids come in. They did get bid up. We got hit at 860, which is good, but not nearly what I expected. So I decreased the size of the risk, and I feel better about the trade. Again, initially I had 5 contracts, and they're on each side. All right. So Tesla, not much going on here. Let's take a look at the. What happened to the VIX? What happened to? What the heck happened here? Look at how the. Is this right? This can't be right. The VIX jacked up like this? No way. S&P 500 is up. This has got to be bad. This is bad. Let's see if we have another contract on the VIX. It's the only one I got. Yeah, the VIX is down, not up. That's a bad quote on Thinkorswim. This is inaccurate. All right. So S&Ps off their highs. Let's go to a 15-minute chart. In fact, let's go to the big screen. 15-minute chart. Russell off of its highs. Remember the light volume we've been seeing for the past few days, folks. Very light volume. And today is not going to be any different. S&P 500. Up just over a quarter percentage point. Lethargic. Kansas City Southern, they reported already. They're doing nicely today. Very, very nicely. Netflix, we booked profits on this morning. We made good profits there. A very nice day. Very strong day today. It's down a little over 2.33%. Nugget. At least it's holding the day's gains. I mean, it did give up some gains, but it didn't fade like we saw yesterday. Let's see what gold is doing. Last look, it was still up. Yeah, it's kind of flattened out on the day, moved up higher and just trading sideways. We'll take it. We'll take it. We want to see the opening gains held, not faded, and we're finally starting to see a little bit of that. Anyway, Microsoft breaking down here a little bit. It hit new all-time highs yesterday. I don't want to do anything to it until right around earnings. This is my little biotech. Peter Thiel's involved here. Mental health. It's optionable. Good options. ISRG, they reported. Not much happening here. They reported last night. I like the weekly chart on ISRG. This is a 4-hour chart, and we're building a cup here. ISRG looking pretty good. Coinbase, which I booked profits in way too early. Probably going to pull in here a little bit. RSI 4-hour time frame, a little over 80. We attempted to break out. We're getting rejected at resistance. That pullback may be an opportunity, maybe sell some puts. If they're assigned to us, great. We'll take the shares. Just want to worry about earnings. I don't want to be a bull, a net bull into earnings. Second Sight Medical Products, which we own. I own warrants on. I've had them for a while. I don't talk about this company that much because it doesn't really do anything. I think it's getting ready to break out, though. Let's go to a weekly chart. You can see here, it's been consolidating nicely. I think I'm going to start watching this one. There are options on here. Six minutes to close. Gold on a weekly time frame looking the bomb here. Very nice. All right, let's go back to the closing price action. Yeah, something's wrong with their VIX quotes. This is another contract, and it's not working. So ignore the VIX. Dollars weak, coming off the lows a little bit. Yields pulling back. We're probably going to break out again. I think this is a consolidation day. Let's see. Franklin, you got in. Good. Surprised they're not paying more on premiums. For those just joining in, ignore the VIX. This is a bad read. The VIX is down on the day. This is showing it as being up. I think this quote here for this contract may be accurate, but it's certainly not up on the day. No, this is inaccurate because it was down to 15.9 yesterday. This is not accurate. Q's negative now. Remember that light volume we've been looking at in the market wrap of late. Nugget holding gains. I mean, we're off the highs of the day, but it's respectable. OPTT up. ETRN up. It's coming in a little bit. Cena, how you doing, man? Been a while. SILJ up 3%. Looking good. Good day. How do I see Roku? When do they report earnings? That's a potential option trade. Roku. You could have a W formation. This is a weekly chart. Potential W formation, 1 minute to close. I think you're in no man's land right now. You have a little bit of a potential breakout going on here. Well, not quite. The what mark is this? 348, 349 is it's actually 350. It's called 350. Resistance. You're going to close above that mark, above 349, 350. Game on to the long side for Roku. Right now, you're just consolidating. All right, let's go to the closing price action. Oh. All right. So Russell rallied into the close. S&Ps rallied into the close. What do the Qs do? Rallied into the close. Okay. So we're probably going to see more upside tomorrow. Folks, I'll catch you on Market Wrap. We'll talk about Tesla and earnings, and I'll see you there. Be well.